With DAX Optimizer integration, you can use Tabular Editor UI to identify the issues you have in your DAX code and fix them in order to improve your model. To create a new run with DAX Optimizer, click on Options, and then Upload. You can either create a new model or add a new addition to the model. Here we choose to create a new model. This will upload the Vertex file to DAX Optimizer service. Now that the Vertex file is uploaded, you can click on Analyze. The run will take a few minutes. Now that the analysis has finished, you can see that there are 32 open issues with this model, and you can see the issues and they're ranked by impact. You can also see the measures, rank them by impact if you need. You can open the measure. You can see the documentation that's related to the issue that's identified. You can also find the measure in Time Explorer. You can also track Time Explorer. That means if you click on different objects in Time Explorer, the ones with the issue will be highlighted, and the ones without will not have any highlights. You'll also see the issues with row level security as well, in addition to measures. Once you fix the issues, you can tick the box Fixed, or if you decide to ignore the issue, you can tick the box Ignored. Once you made your fixes, you can upload a new version of the Vertex file of this model. If the issue is fixed, there will be less open issues shown in the UI. With this integration, you don't have to leave the Tabular Editor UI, and you can identify and fix the issues with your DAX code as well as row level security.
Please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it.